that Styrofoam on there? Oh, look at that cyber truck we see. It's a cyber truck over there. Yeah. Let's take you up to it. Yeah, come on, and there's going to be planes flying right over our heads. Can't you believe it, guys? You think I could crash my airplane into that car? And that would be 1,000 point or, right? 1,000 point or what? 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. You don't go off that. I'm trying to go off that.
Good job, 7.
Wow! Hey! Boom!
Look at the plane. Look, look, look. Ooh, Connor, that was good. Come on, 7. Get in there. Whoa! Woo! Huh?
Can we go to that big stone thing over there?
What big stone thing?
Right there. Where them people are sitting. Let's fly it.
No, I think y'all had it when y'all was trying to fly it down this way. Like that.
Oh. Man, this one wants to fly it. Oh, okay.